Hello kids, this is Yadier's Toy Review. Today I'm going to unbox Cow Weathers and Brick Yardley. And so these are from the Piston Cup. And so let's see what we got. So this is the package and here are the cars. So this is Brick Yardley and Cow Weathers. And so he works for Dynaco, and he works for bottling because he has number 24 and number 42. And they're pretty cool to play with. So whenever you have, so these are really cool. You get them at Target. They're like for $3.50. Some of them might be like a little more expensive. So, in the back, you can see that they have that you can collect toe cap, gas pins, Bobby Swift, and Buck Barrett-Lee.
Puppy.
So, that's what you can get. And that's probably it I'm going to tell you guys. So, don't forget to subscribe, comment down below, and Merry Christmas. Bye.